Okay, are you having an issue launching Steam on your Windows PC? Well, in this video, I'm created a full guide on how to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is back up your Steam files. So go to C, Program Files, 32, and go to Steam. And in the Steam folder, you'll see Steam Apps. And you want to copy and paste this into a safe place before you make any changes to Steam itself. And you want to uninstall Steam. How do you do that? Apps, installed apps, go to Steam. You want to uninstall it and then reinstall it on your primary drive. So if you have two drives, your C drive and your D drive, I would recommend installing Steam on your primary drive. And then you copy your Steam apps folder back into the new installation directory to restore all of the Steam apps. If you've done this and it still doesn't work, what you can try to do is flush config. So close down Steam, press run. Here, type Steam. Sorry, let me change this. Steam / flush config and press enter. A confirmation box will appear and click OK and then restart Steam. Okay. Now, if that still hasn't worked, what you can try to do is navigate to your Steam installation directory. See Program Files, Steam. Right click on steam.exe. By the way, you might not see the .exe. If you can see it, click on View, Show File Name Extensions to see it. Right click on this, hit Properties, and hit Run this program as an administrator. You can also try clicking on Disable Full Screen Optimizations to see if it works, or run this game in compatibility mode. But first, try to run this game as administrator, hit apply, hit OK, and see if that works. The next thing you can try is to turn off Windows Firewall. So go to Windows Security, go to Firewall, Network Protection. You'll see Domain Network, Private Network, Public Network. Click on this. We'll click on them one at a time. And click on this button here to turn off the Windows Firewalls and see if that works. The next thing you want to do is update the storage settings within Steam. So go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and Library folders. You also want to try to clear the cache. This is, of course, if you have, if you can launch Steam. And go to Library. Go to Storage. And basically, you want to change the drive to a different drive. Again, this is if you're having issues downloading games within Steam.